Mastering time management for the B1 Business Preliminary exam. Hello, dedicated learners. Today, we'll be diving into one of the most crucial elements when preparing for the B1 Business Preliminary exam, also known as BEC Preliminary, time management. Ensuring you utilize your exam time efficiently can make a significant difference in your final results. Let's discover how to maximize your potential. Before we tackle strategies, it's essential to know the structure of the exam. 1. Reading and writing, 90 minutes. 2. Listening, 40 minutes. 3. Speaking, 12 minutes. Knowing the time allocated to each section helps you divide your time effectively. Reading and writing. Skim and scan. Skim texts to get a general idea and then scan for specific details. Allocate time wisely. Spend about 50 minutes on the reading tasks and 40 minutes on the writing tasks. Write clearly and concisely. Avoid lengthy sentences. Answering directly and briefly can save time. Listening. First, listen. Focus on understanding the main idea. Second, listen. Pick out specific details. Stay calm. If you miss an answer, move on. Don't get stuck on a single point. Speaking. Think quick. You don't have a lot of time, so try to quickly formulate answers in your mind before speaking. Stay on topic. Make sure to answer the question directly. Practice with mock tests. Familiarity with the format will make you more confident. Watch the clock. Keep an eye on the time, but don't obsess. It's about balancing awareness with focus. Prioritize questions. Answer questions you're sure about first, then return to the harder ones. Stay calm and breathe. Anxiety can slow you down. Trust in your preparation and stay calm. And that's a wrap on time management for the BEC Preliminary exam. Remember, with proper strategies and plenty of practice, you can make the most out of your exam time. Here's hoping this video has armed you with the tools to tackle your exam confidently. Best of luck, and happy studying!